Hello everyone, I'm back. This time I'm in the kitchen. Excuse the mess. And as promised, finally, I was like, well, I still have light. I might even have to turn on the can lighting that we have over here, but 2 work pans. Going to be doing them one at a time using one Ariel Power Pod in my twin tub English washing machine. As you can see, it's a 220. It's from England. The voltage converter I ordered from voltageconverters.com. I think it was about 20 bucks. I'm not sure. They weren't that expensive. I was surprised. And that's how I run this. Flick the switch on. It's a pulsator and it comes with its own spin dryer. Normal. Gentle. It's got a shorter rotation and a longer pause. Not that long, but still. And all you do is that. Switch it to drain when ready to drain, and it pours out of this hose. Of course, this hose is going to go into a little bucket here. And I can adjust the temperature here of water. This comes out. Excuse my ancient sink. This kitchen's long overdue a remodeling. So, shut it off. Put this to normal. No, I'll use gentle. It's not that gentle anyway. Alright. Run the water until it comes out warm enough. Let me pause this. Alright, I got the water to the right temperature. Let's grab a pod. Squishy, squishy. Drop it like it's hot. I like that, didn't you? Okay, this is going to be tricky. Let me scoot this over more. There we go. Hold your position. A little more on the hot side. When I do this at night, there's more water pressure, because mostly everybody's asleep at night right now. Everybody and their grandma's taking a shower, doing laundry. Oh, I could smell the Ariel pot already. We're not going to fill it all the way to the top either. About halfway. Here's the guard for the spin dryer. It's a little more than half right there. Yeah, it's good enough. All right. Minutes. Turn on the voltage converter. It's very quiet. Smells good. There's a little slit right up here that allows for excess water to escape. And as it escapes, it'll drain down into the bucket. Don't fall off the chair now. See, it's starting to drip. Let me go turn on the overhead light. Oh, please don't fall. Oh, wow. You can see better, but it's gonna make it hotter for me. It's getting foggy. Just like a wringer washer, you use the same water until you get to your darks and whites. Well, not even. Darks, well, it depends on the temperature of the water. You know, so this is very high efficiency. What drains out from the spin dryer is going to drain down in there. When I put my other pair of pants in there, I'm going to get the water from the bucket and put it back in the washer. Yeah, when I saw this on YouTube, I was like, I've got to have it. I was like, it's see-through. And you know the Wonder Washer here in America, they have their version over there too, but it's a see-through blue bucket just like this. Very transparent. So I didn't want to order that. I've had the Wonder Washer before. I sold it to a coworker and I kind of regret selling it. It was so much easier to use than any of the little ones I have. It was more practical because of the bucket tub. But it's noisy. It's very noisy. And you really have to hold on to that one. Please don't splash on the phone. Okay, I don't know if you could see it from here, but there's a little slit at the back. Yeah, you can. That's where the excess water drains out of. I got it from Amazon. I think you just go down, scroll all the way down to the home, from the home page of Amazon, and it gives you different countries. Just click on Magic Kingdom, United Kingdom, or I forgot what it was called. Maybe it was, yeah, I think it was United Kingdom. Just click on that and you'll go to Great Britain's Amazon page. Just go to a mini washer or mini portable washer and you'll find one of these. Maybe, if they're still selling them. The Laundry Alternative has brought this here to America too, but solid tub's not transparent, solid lid as well. Oh, that was a lot. Hold that thought. I am roasting. It's my little coffee shop, my Tossimo. Don't have too many choices of coffee. I've got peppermint mocha right there and sweet cream milk. My little espresso set. And our makeshift mailbox right there. Like I said, excuse the mess. Okay, oh. Back to where it was at. Okay, I got about a minute left. What I'm gonna do, I have to put the foam down for this. I have to, as I'm bringing it out, start wringing it with my hands, and then transferring it over to the spin dryer. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you once it's in the spin dryer. I'll grab the other pair of pants and put them into the washer. 12 minutes, it's all it needs. Just to save time, I would normally take the pants and rinse them in the Cabrio, but No Cabrio for this. Here we go, 15-minute mark. Bye.